Yo, what are they doing with that fish? You shouldn't cook in plastic, probably. It's probably not a good idea. Alright, so we got a Coke. Cut an oval in the Coke. Where is this going? Looks like a mini boat now. Okay, they're obviously a couple. They're very comfortable with each other. Okay. Car stuck in the mud. No problem. We got a 2x4. No problem. You can't solve with a 2x4. Okay, that looks like it wouldn't be great for the car after, you know, one revolution. Huh. Nice. Okay, dangerous lollipop. Turning into a wheel. Umbrella? Okay. Oh! Awesome! It's a watermill. Cool. A vegan girl and a carnivore boy. That's not gonna last very long, I suspect. Is it that easy to catch fish? Alright. An automatic tent that is taking you quite a while to set up. Not very automatic then. Okay, it's just a tent. Folding camping cot. Some nice cacophony there. Okay, where are we going with this? We got a bag. You're all wet. What are we gonna do about it? We're gonna make a bag skirt. Potentially. Now you're all warm. No problem. Doesn't matter that your clothes underneath are completely wet. You're all warm with that bag over you. Alright, I'm confused. Ah, okay, so they're using a log as a sort of pot. Alright, I don't know if that necessarily would work that way, but okay. Okay, this is some fancy fish stuff, okay. Yeah, alright, good for the pescatarians. Alright, I feel like you would keep your clothes intact in the wilderness, you know, like you want to use those for warmth, I assume, not as just like a little storage device. What? Ah, as a filter. Okay, does that really work? I don't know. I think we should probably test that one. Ah, a nice little no, not a harmonica, accordion light. Some sustainable energy right there. We got an egg kebab. Alright, that was it. Just an egg kebab. Ooh, okay. Buy me dinner first, jeez. Alright, is this gonna be a shower of some sort? So it's my best guess so far. It looks like a shower. Yeah, it's a shower! Okay, but from the other side, they can see everything. It's just it's an open show. Iodine in the Q-tip. Alright. Crack it open for emergencies. Nice, and you can disinfect your wounds, okay? That makes sense. Uh-oh. Buddy's gonna have a new experience right now. Ah, never mind. It's all good. Okay. That's a nice way to clean off your vegetables. Just get some foil, scrub-a-dub-dub. Ah, it's like how, you know, Sid from Toy Story used to torture his toys with a magnifying glass. Very nice. I mean, not nice, but, you know. Okay. Ooh, splinter. Alright, that's one way to remove it, but how often do you carry those with you when you're camping? Not very often. And if you are carrying syringes with you when you're camping, I'm a little concerned. Okay, a nice way to get the moisture. What's this guy doing? He's going like mountain climbing. This just seems unnecessary for any other case. Okay, it looks like a mountain climbing setup here. Well, it looks quite snug. All right. Okay, yeah, sure. I would just jump as far as I could across the water. If I fell in, that's it for me, you know. Okay, we're wrapping around these trees pretty fast. Nice. Is this like a tent? Or what are they doing here? Yeah, all right. It's a nice little tent. You're not really protected from predators though, so I don't know how useful it's gonna be. Everyone can see what you're doing in there. Why are you putting rocks in your shoes like that? Okay, that didn't really seem like it did anything. We got some gross apples. What are we gonna do about it? Cling film. Wow, it's like no one ever thought. We got the couple again. Okay, into the water. Considering it's staged, that's kind of unfortunate for the actors, I guess. Ah, protect your phone with a nice little thermo-resistant foil. Okay. Might be an issue charging. Okay. Why would you take your clothes off if you're cold? That doesn't make... Okay, whatever. Alright. City girl goes to the woods for the first time. Yeah, not worth it. Whatever this craft is turning into, it's just not worth that. Definitely not worth that, no. Don't cut your hair off to fix your shoes. It's not a good thing. Okay. Fires keep going out in windy weather. What do we do about it? Get some tape. Alright. I guess that works better. Okay. Pheromone trails to keep ants away from you, I guess. Nice. Ah. Okay. This is how to be a happy couple in the wilderness, essentially. Okay, so you can divide up your food in one pot in the wilderness. Okay, I feel like that doesn't necessarily have to be a wilderness hack, but there we go. We're doing it in the woods, so it's a wilderness hack. Nice, and now everybody 5-minute crafts did. Alright, we're cutting off the phosphorus from the matches. Now what? Enlighten me. Ah, okay, cool. That's a nice little little DIY lighter gadget thing. DIY, excuse me. Okay, we got some more matches. So that makes them waterproof? Alright. A video on the internet told me, so I believe it automatically, of course. Some coffee here. Wrap it up. What are we gonna do? Boil it. Alright, and we got some tea or some coffee or something. That's pretty good. Nice. Okay, give us more reactions. Thank you for watching, and comment down below if you enjoyed it or if you didn't.